Hello, today I would like to present you one of the most beautiful and most iconic lamp that you were able to purchase in IKEA. It's being called a Strato lamp or UFO, that's the most common name that you are going to hear. And it is a wire guided light that you can basically customize to any need and any shape of room, and it will give you something like this. We've got a 12-volt halogen bulb, and this is what you are going to see from bottom. We've got those wires that came out from power supply. But if we rotate it like that, you'll start seeing that it starts looking like a UFO pulled straight from X-Files. And what is more, you can arrange that light inside that bracket to be at angle. So from bottom is going to be looking like that. And at night, you've got something that looks like UFO, and it's shining that beam of light into bottom, and it just make absolutely amazing look, because it's going to be suspended by those wires, and in darkness you basically can't see them, but it's just floating. Absolutely beautiful design. This beautiful set can be fully customized to work in basically any room, and that's because it is being suspended on that what looks like a speaker wire that is beautifully color matched to a whole set. So yeah, it looks absolutely beautiful. If your room is more narrow, then you can undo that screw and you can pull the length that you don't need, you can cut it and you can secure it. Then you've got your light sources, and you've got those thumb screws that after undoing you can move around. There is a spike that is piercing the insulation and making contact, so you can move it around to fit your need. Just undo it, you remove it, and then you screw it back. You pierce your insulation and you make a connection in a totally different point, so you can have it far away. You can split the distance to be even or a totally different random configuration. It's using totally standard 12-volt halogen glass reflector bulbs. It is a whole assembly with that glass, absolutely cheap and easy to replace. You've got also possibility to put a one that is LED if you would like to conserve the electricity. Here we've got our model number, and it was designed to be max fitted with a 20-watt bulb made in PRC. So this is how it presents. As you can see, we've got 3 of them, but there is absolutely no problem in adding more, as long we are going to stay in the power supply limit, and it is 140 watt, so we've got absolutely a lot of headroom. We've got a fuse, absolutely beautiful beefy transformer. Just take a look how beefy that wire is. No one chip out on that. And here we've got the model number and our AC side input. That bracket you mount onto your wall. Then you undo those 2 screws and you basically slide it in and secure it this and there. Same story with the wires. You can match any position for your transformer. You can move it around, and after you done, you secure it and it's being nicely connected. When we've got our transformer mounted, then of course we need to attach our wire guides, and you are going to be using those elements. They can be placed into your ceiling or into your wall, and you just grab it this and mount it like that, and you undo that and you put screw and mount it on your wall. After it's secure, you go like this, you put it like that, and the one end is done. But of course it's going to be floppy because you need to have a room to slip it here. You mount one of this into your another wall, you trim the wire to match your length, then you attach it like this, and keep in mind that it's going to be flopping around so you do not have the full tension, and then you start screwing it, and as you can see it is shortening that distance, and because of that it's creating tension. If you need to go back, you just undo it like this, and as you can see we are making more room, and then you can nicely remove it or mount it. You go like this and it's creating tension, and you've got it nice. I attached this test wire, and you have to remember that we've got the PE, the protective earth, in the middle, so we connect to our side. I'm going to be using my isolation transformer, so the PE can be left alone. We are ready to turn it on. I'm going to flick my isolation transformer. And as you can see, one of them is not lighting up, and we can correct it by adjusting those piercing screw, and now it's working just fine. Just take a look how beautiful effect it's going to be making. You are feeling like watching X-Files. Just take a look how beautiful it is. It looks like you are going to be pulled in by that light. Absolutely amazing. I disconnect those two so we've got a better look, and just tell me how does it present if that would be flying on your ceiling. Just take a look how beautiful it is. You can be pulled in by the light. So this is how it looks like. In my personal opinion, it is absolutely beautiful. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.